This is a selfie. Then where is the other photo that was taken as an original photo, which is not a selfie? Yeah, the one that was taken by the court order. This is fidgeting.
Do you have any other further questions, Mr. Mnisi?
I do have questions, my lord. There are plenty of them.
Ask.
They are going to be based on the same system. Now my worry is, if we are going to rely on Advocate Sibanda for him to assist us with this system, I have very serious reservations with what I've just seen now.
Okay, you will bring your own operator then. Fine.
I don't have, my lord. My own I don't have.
No, you must bring your own.
I don't have.
Your client's own. Like
he doesn't have, he's in custody, my lord.
He was in custody, but he was able to be examined by a dentist. Is that not so?
Yes, but
logically it follows.
This is something
logically
different.
It follows that he can also get somebody to operate that gadget. Let's continue.
As it please the court, my lord, let me take instructions.
Good. Hey. Secondes.
May you please take out that picture which is fidgeted? Mr. Meyiwa is saying that he's not happy with what he's seeing there, because it is apparent that that is not what this witness said. We are putting this aspect of the evidence in abeyance. We're not done with it. And may I just put it on record, my lord, that if it were to happen that the last photos that have been denoted to us now have been fidgeted, I don't want to talk of consequences. I definitely do not want to talk of consequences, because there's no reason why an officer that is here at court, whoever it is, can interfere with evidence that the court is supposed to be taking a decision on. Thank you. There will definitely be consequences. Thank you, my lord.